everybody, this is Kathy from katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I am coming along with a project share and possibly a minute tutorial. So anyways, I ended up receiving this from Miss Alicia Wagner 510, which is now she is crafty hot plopped. Oh my gosh, Alicia's crafty hot plopped. I do apologize, my kids just left, so I'm trying to unwind and I want to do some videos before they come back. Hubby took him for a car ride, so gives me some time to breathe, I guess. So anyway, so I kind of went and kind of tried to reassemble these. Now these are made from tissue. I hadn't even opened the package until just a few minutes ago, so I did these last night. These are my first few ones that I did right here, as you guys could tell. Anyways, so I kind of like guesstimated how to make them. Now I only had white tissue paper. I was too, I guess I want to say, lazy to go look for colorful tissue paper, so I do apologize for that. I don't know if I even have colored tissue paper, but I will be looking for some. So as you guys could see, I ended up making white. So I ended up opening this not too long ago, like just like maybe a couple of minutes ago, I want to say. And so I realized that these are actually not layered like that. They're more of like, I guess you could say they kind of like when you make your rosettes, kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, I don't know where this came from. Oh, it's part of the glue. Anyways, there, I don't know if you guys could see, some of the tissue is shorter than the ones in the back, so it's shorter, a little higher, and there's like more higher. There's four. It looks like it's four. 1, 2, maybe 3 or 4 layers. So what I actually did, I just looked at it like this and I was like, so it is basically a rosette, and I will try to do a video of my Rossetts haul. I ended up getting this at Rossetts sale that was going on about 2 weeks ago, I want to say, and these were $4, and OMG, like I was surprised because I had this in my Amazon wish list to buy, and this was like over $14, so for $4 this was an amazing buy. So anyway, so I went ahead and layered 4 pieces of tissue paper, just like the gift tissue where you graft tissue, and then I ended up cutting it, and this is what I ended up getting. Okay, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I do, so now that I realize that the layers are uneven, you could do it, you could uneven it, but if you could tell on this rosette, it gives you basically the score marks right here, so you could fold it in and out, but it's up to you how you want to do it. So this is how I did these. I'm still practicing, I'm still playing along with them. These were my last 2 from yesterday, last night. So what I do is I get my glue and I open all the layers, there's 3, and then I just put a little bit of glue right here. And this one helps so much, or else your glue is going to get all bulgy or bulky and it's not gonna do what you want it to do. So there you go. And then all I did was this. So these are amazing. I was gifted some from Cruz. Thank you, Cruz. And there you go. Instead of using a brush, you could also use a brush if you want, or you could use your finger if you don't have one of those silicone brushes. Let me see. So you layered it, and there you go. And it is not as puffy, so I already have one pre-made. The reason I have it pre-made is because these kind of take a while for them to dry when, oh, sorry, when there are, see how it starts bulking up right here? So this helps it. Okay, so there you go. So this is one that I have pre-made. So let me go ahead and move this aside, move that aside, move that aside, and all I do is just go ahead and along the score line that you see right there, just do a zigzag, I want to say. Just follow the score lines. You might want to fast forward here. This might be a little bit boring for you to see, so I should have made one already pre-made like this, but let me go ahead and put you guys on pause and then come back to you guys. Okay, so I just finished doing the zigzag motion to it. Okay, so basically this is what you end up having. So from here, what I did, you have this portion right here and this portion right here. So I went ahead and glued it. Put some glue. Oh, great, my glue's not gonna work just when I'm doing this, right? Always happens, something like this always happens. So go ahead and glue it. I did it wrong. I do apologize. There you go, glue it right there. So as I leave this drying a little bit, because you will need it to dry a little bit, I went ahead and have a piece of tissue left over, and all I did was just fold it into little pieces or little folds like that. I got my scissors, and all I did was do small cuts like a French cut. There you go, and there you go. Now all I did was roll it around. I have my glue gun. There you go, and I did that. I have my glue gun over here heating up, and it should be ready for me to glue this. You can either start gluing before you roll it, which is something I should have done, or you could do it afterwards. Okay, so there you go. I am in frame. There you go. And all you do right now is you have this. This is a little tricky. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. This is a little tricky because what you're trying to do is you're trying to do this rosette, right? So there you go. You could put, what I did was put some glue, my thing, and I kind of clicked it in here. Like I said, it is going to be a little hard, a little tricky. Just basically find your own way. Like I said, when you're trying to do a video, that's when everything comes out wrong. That was only one portion I had over there. Try not to burn your fingers, because as you guys know, glue gun will burn your fingers if you're not aware. Okay, so there. And I'm hoping it sticks. I'm hoping it becomes, yay! There you go. So this is a little tricky. I know this is so tricky because you're so used to putting your rosette down on a circle piece. So basically you're putting this as the middle portion. You might use more glue than you would expect. And there you go. Now once you feel that it's dry, not a little dry, dry, because if it's a little dry, you're probably going to put glue on your scissors and you're probably going to cut the whole piece off. So there you go. There you go. And what I do sometimes, because I feel that it might not be enough glue and it might end up undoing, I put some glue in the inside. go. Hold it a little bit. And the fringe right here will actually help hide that extra glue that you might see. Now I turn it around. Not all my glue is sticking, but what you're gonna do is cut the bottom portion, the one is sticking out, not too close to the rosette. There you go. You put some more glue in here. You could actually put more glue so it could hold it more. Put it right there. You should have a rosette done if you have some, or another piece of paper, and just stick it in here. And there we go. You are done. So some of you guys know my trick in regards to rosettes. Just go around the rosette, cut off that extra trim to make it a nice even circle. It is not going to be an even circle, but you could try to make it as even as you can. Basically, eyeball it. There you go. Still not happy with this side. This side is still too long. So yeah, you have to eyeball it. I mean, try not to overdo it, because if you do overdo it, you're probably going to be close to the rosette and you are probably going to ruin it. It just takes practice. There is no perfection. I mean, at first it takes a lot of practice. And there you go. And there's my fringe. And like I said, you could do different colors. Like for now, I only have white. So there you go. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial. Hopefully you guys give it a try. And let me know what you guys think. Well, everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch. And we will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.